Hello everyone! Welcome to Hessan Knowledge Channel. Have you noticed that some of our Hessan flat laminating machines, some equipment will have this protective film device? At present, PVC and PET are the materials with the largest amount of rolls. First of all, because of its process and the color of the film, PVC is more diverse. Many manufacturers will not add a protective film to the film material. Therefore, our customers in the back of the press machine will add a protective film device to laminate a layer of protective film. Many customers who laminate PVC for decorative walls, they will put on the protective film with their company logo. So many customers will laminate the protective film separately after the flat lamination. Secondly, although many PET film factories will provide protective film, but there is no protective film when they do OEM for brands. Then customers need to laminate the protective film themselves. So a lot of customers will also increase the protective film device requirements after the laminated. The above is why some customers will increase the protective film device situation. Our protective film device is very competitively priced, and it works very well.